Ever felt like your tasks are multiplying like tribbles and your productivity is stuck on a hamster wheel? We've all been there, drowning in a sea of sticky notes and digital reminders, desperately searching for a way to organize the chaos. Well, fear not, fellow warriors against procrastination. Today, we're diving into the world of ClickUp, a project management tool designed to conquer that organizational beast. But before we unleash its full potential, let's explore the foundational element, the ClickUp hierarchy. Think of the ClickUp hierarchy as your project's filing system, a meticulously categorized structure that keeps your workflow flowing smoothly. It's like having a built-in personal assistant whispering, "Don't worry, I got this," in your ear. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the secrets of organization with ClickUp. The big picture, workspaces and teams. First things first, let's zoom out and get a bird's eye view. ClickUp starts with workspaces, which are essentially your high-level containers. Imagine them as separate filing cabinets, each dedicated to a specific area of your life or work. You could have a workspace for your freelance projects, another for personal goals, and perhaps a team workspace for collaborative ventures. Within each workspace, you can create teams. Think of them as the team members who will access and contribute to projects within the workspace. This allows you to manage access and permissions, ensuring only relevant individuals see specific projects. Diving deeper, spaces and folders. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Workspaces hold spaces, which are essentially subcategories within your filing cabinet. Think of them as labeled folders dedicated to specific projects, departments, or even clients. You could have a space for your upcoming marketing campaign within your freelance project's workspace. Folders further refine your organization within a space. Imagine them as smaller folders inside the project folder. For a marketing campaign space, you might have folders for social media content, email marketing, and website updates. This nested structure allows you to categorize tasks with incredible detail. Lists. The heart of ClickUp. Here's where the magic really starts to happen. Lists. These are the workhorses of ClickUp, housing the actual tasks that make up your project. Think of them as individual to-do lists within each folder. Within each list, you can create individual tasks, each with its own due date, priority level, assignee, who it's assigned to, and comments for collaboration. It's here where the rubber meets the road and you translate your project vision into actionable steps. Subtasks and checklists. Breaking down big goals. But wait, there's more. ClickUp allows you to break down complex tasks into even smaller, more manageable chunks with subtasks. Think of them as the mini milestones that lead to accomplishing the main task. Need to write a blog post? Create a subtask for researching the topic, another for writing the draft, and so on. Checklists are another powerful tool for conquering large tasks. They're essentially mini to-do lists within a task, allowing you to list out the specific steps needed to complete it. Packing for a trip? Create a checklist for clothes, toiletries, and travel documents. The power of ClickUp views. Now that you've mastered the building blocks of ClickUp hierarchy, how do you actually see all your meticulously organized tasks? That's where views come in. ClickUp offers a variety of views, allowing you to see your tasks in different formats depending on your needs. There's a list view, a board view for a Kanban-style workflow, and even a calendar view for visualizing deadlines. This flexibility allows you to tailor your ClickUp experience to suit your preferred organizational style. Customizing ClickUp for you. But ClickUp doesn't stop there. The beauty of the ClickUp hierarchy is its incredible level of customization. You can create custom statuses to track the progress of your tasks, assign priorities, and even color code your lists for a more visually appealing experience. By understanding the ClickUp hierarchy, you have the foundation you need to build a project management system that works for you. Whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or simply someone looking to conquer your to-do list, ClickUp's flexible structure allows you to organize your projects in a way that maximizes productivity and eliminates overwhelm. Remember, the key is to find a hierarchy that fits your specific needs and workflow. Experiment, adjust, and personalize ClickUp to become your ultimate organizational weapon.